First question from Facundo Jait. The question is, I work for an American company and I have my money deposited in an American bank. What would be the best thing to do to not pay taxes or pay less? I live in Barcelona. Not much information here, but I mean, Julian, feel free to give your take.
Yeah, exactly. So if you live in Barcelona, this means you live in Spain. Here, there's the world income principle applying, which means that you need to tax everything, all right, as a general rule. Of course, if you are having your money in an American bank account, which is your case, and if you do not take the money out of this place, then you could try to trick the Spanish tax agency. Yeah, there are many clients who do this. They say, okay, I'm keeping just the money outside of Spain, more specifically in a country that does not belong to the European Union. So it makes it everything much more difficult for the Spanish tax agency to see if you have earned money or not. But if we just take the law says that you should tax this money here in Spain. All right. So it doesn't matter. You should tax it here in Spain. In case that you have paid something outside, something abroad in the US, you will be able to deduct the paid taxes in the US here in Spain. But as a general rule, this would apply. But of course, now it depends on how many risks you want to take. Yeah, some clients decides to go the risky way, and some others wants to just sleep well and say, okay, I'm going to declare it.
Is there any way in this scenario that they could be applying for the Beckham law, working for an American company then?
Yeah, definitely. If you work remote since last year, the 1st of January 2023, you can apply for the Lex Beckham. There's no problem. Now, here's the thing. If you move to Spain and you want to apply the Lex Beckham, then you need to have the reason behind. In this case, if you are going to work from home, let's say home office, then it's no problem. But what you cannot do is if you are already living in Spain for the last year or for the last 2 years, then say, okay, now I want to apply the Lex Beckham. So the Lex Beckham must be applied just at the beginning. All right, this is an important issue. Of course, there are some clients who are living already in Spain for, let's say, since 2021, for example. So it would be 3 years. And then they try to apply for the Lex Beckham. So after 3 years, and they just say that they did not live in Spain, so that they are new here in Spain.
Yeah.
In this case, it would be able. All right. So main issue is to make sure that you apply for the Lex Beckham just in the first 6-7 months after coming here in Spain, and more specifically, you have 6 months from that time where you register in the Spanish Social Security. All right. That's important to keep
Okay.
that.
Fantastic.